Hey guys, welcome to the 4 tutorial SKETCHWARE application using which you can create your own apps. This is your host Abhi and you're watching all about apps. So guys, in my previous video we had used the text view, edit text and the buttons widget, and if you haven't watched my previous video of SKETCHWARE tutorial, it is highly recommended so that you can go with the flow. In today's video, we are going to use the image view and the checkbox widget. To add any image to your application, drag the image view widget to your main screen. By default, you will be seeing this image. Tap on the three dot settings to select the image manager, and to add any image from gallery, tap on the top right plus button and tap on the plus button again and select the gallery option. There are also many predefined images which you can choose by tapping on the download icon, and there are three different categories of the same image: black, grey and white. Now go to properties of image view and select from any of these images to change the image. So guys, let's add a dice to our application, and let's add a button which when clicked generates a random number between 1 to 6, and depending on the number generated the image will also be changed. Along with this, let's add a checkbox. If this checkbox is set, then only even numbers will be generated. Let's go to the logic now and declare a variable which will store the generated random number from 1 to 6, and there is a predefined block to generate a random number. Once this is done, we need to get the status of the checkbox, if it is checked or not. If it is checked and if the random number generated equals 1, 3 or 5, we need to increment it by 1 so that only even numbers are seen. And the last part is to use the set image block to change the image as per the number generated. So we will have to use 6 if statements. So guys, the coding is now done and let me run this application. If you have any doubts or question, you can mention them in the comment section and I will get back to you. And if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.